are excited to be here at the Spine Center in Naperville on the campus of Edward Hospital to recognize not only the physicians but their staff on the great work that they provide both on the phone and face-to-face to patients of DuPage Medical Group.
Thank you.
And we are here today to recognize the Spine Center as a great office in terms of the patient experience. We know you guys deal with a lot of difficult patients and challenging patients, and this office always gets really high marks for customer experience, customer service, so we thank you guys. I think the first start is the phones. The phones get answered timely, and the people that answer the phones are very nice and very compassionate. They realize the people that are calling are in pain, they've been in pain for a while, and they want to be seen. And the model that's been developed here is to get patients in as soon as possible to provide that access. So the patients are seen right away by a physician assistant, and if the physician's needed, immediately the physician can come.
The We Care For You promise is important not just for patients, but it's important for the morale in the office. I think that if you respect the people that you work with, that also helps the patient experience, because when you have happy staff, you have happy patients.
These kind, considerate, caring people, they do right by each other in a team environment as we struggle sometimes through certain events. And when we have good people who are good by each other through time, we have a partnership that will last and last and last. And that's been a recipe for success in our Spine Center.
I think for people to understand that when a provider actually cares about them in a sincere way, doesn't mean you necessarily have to spend 45 minutes holding somebody's hand, but it can be the way you look at somebody, it can be the way that you greet them, it can be very subtle, very short cues that people will understand. They get it. They get it when somebody cares.
The culture of this office starts not only with physicians, but with the management. So it is a collective approach to have the management of a department or departments as well as the physicians be together.
The staff has opened themselves up to variations and accommodating each other's schedules. If a physician is out, the staff is very liquid and fluid in terms of how they are covering each other. That to me shows teamwork, the ability and the understanding of the need to get the job done no matter what it takes.
You've been talking and living and fulfilling the promise of We Care For You, and that you said, I want to receive flowers from Mike Casper. Well, today's the day.
It was just really special because I do really love my job and love working with these patients. So it was nice to kind of get that recognition because, yeah, it was important. And I'm just so excited, I can't even tell you.
We've heard that from the day we started the process that you wanted to be recognized.
This is my goal.
So now we've got to set a new goal. And so I know you talk about the patient experience, and it's very important to you, and I know that it permeates the organization. And so those are the reasons that I wanted to come by personally and say thank you.
Most of the patient contact is not with physicians, it's with nursing, medical assistants, schedulers, front office staff, administrative personnel. It's a lot of other groups. So to have those people recognized for this, I think is crucial.
So thank you for everything that you guys are doing, and keep up all the great work.
What we do is a very trust-intensive business. So 2 components to trust: making sure that people actually realize you care about them, and making sure that we do an excellent job at whatever we do.